The Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare has signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with Ave Maria University PIYANKO in Abuja. The partnership aims to strengthen medical training, boost manpower development, and improve the quality of healthcare delivery in Nigeria. Also present at the press briefing were the Pro-Chancellor of the institution, Mrs. Eucharist Ona, and the Registrar, Reverend Father Omale, and other top officials of the university.
The signing ceremony held at the ministry's headquarters in Abuja was coordinated by the Legal Services Department, represented by the Assistant Director, Legal Services. The Permanent Secretary, represented by Technical Advisor, Dr. Dogara Okara, welcomed the delegation from Ave Maria University and emphasized the importance of collaboration in developing a stronger and more resilient health workforce. The Honorable Minister of State for Health, Dr. Isiaq Adekunle Shalako, who signed the MOU on behalf of the ministry, commended Ave Maria University for its moral and academic excellence. He described the institution as a dependable partner in training competent healthcare professionals to bridge the manpower gap in the nation's health sector.
Let me commend Ave Maria University and all the management, the staff, everybody who has worked very, very hard to ensure that this university is able to go into training of health workers. And of course, we know that the Catholic mission in Nigeria particularly is very strong in healthcare. So I'm not surprised that a Catholic-based university is also looking at producing the requisite manpower to ensure that the wheel of healthcare continues to turn. Yes, we have a lot that we're trying to do as a ministry, as government, under the Renew Hope agenda and the Health Sector Renewal Investment Initiative that is operationalizing the manifesto of Mr. President. One key element of that is to deliver quality healthcare to Nigerians. And of course, without manpower, there's no way we can deliver quality healthcare. And globally now, there is challenge with having adequate healthcare manpower. There's shortage globally, but of course it's more acute in developing countries like ours. And if you go to any hospital today, I'm sure the MD is there. Probably the first problem that he's going to talk about to you, you ask, what are your problems? It's manpower, So having a university like yours coming into the space and training manpower is something that is really commendable and welcomed.
In her remarks, Dr. Gloria Uzuigwe, Director of Dentistry, who represented the Director of Hospital Services, Dr. Saludin Jimo, described the collaboration as a strategic advantage that will enhance the quality of medical professionals produced by Nigerian universities. She added that the partnership aligns with the President's initiative to support and retain qualified medical personnel within the national workforce. Both parties expressed optimism that the partnership will enhance medical education and produce a new generation of skilled, ethical, and patriotic healthcare professionals for the nation. Speaking with the press, the Vice Chancellor of Ave Maria University, Professor Ignatius Onimawo, highlighted the positive impact of the MOU on the institution, noting that it would strengthen medical training, expand research opportunities, and foster innovation.
Signing this MOU for College of Medicine is something we have been looking forward to. We work for this, we have prayed for it, and today it has become a reality. It's something that will make this university to go higher places, because it's like a wellspring of all the programs we have in Ave Maria University. So it's really something of joy. We are happy and we are grateful to the Honorable Minister of State, and particularly to CMD of KEFI, Federal Medical Center KEFI. Dr. Yaya, who has been very, very, very good and very cooperative with our university.
He appreciated the ministry's support and reaffirmed the university's dedication to producing morally upright and professionally competent graduates.
When you get to the 300 level, the first two levels, 100, 200 level, is just to teach them of basic medical sciences. And from 300 level, they go for clinical. That's where they actually practice medicine. That's where they have all the hands-on training. So, and KEFI has all the facilities. So with them, even the federal ministry have visited there, and they have found it to be very, very good. In fact, it's an A-grade federal medical center. So they have all the facilities, they have all the manpower to train our students. That's why we are very happy. And it's also not too far from our university in terms of distance.
Highlights of the ceremony included the formal signing of the Memorandum of Understanding. Ave Maria University, a Catholic-owned tertiary institution based in Abuja, says it remains committed to setting the pace in the medical profession through academic excellence and moral formation. In Abuja, Ijoma Ekwosi, CTV News.